Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So we're going to jump straight into today's video. Today's video is going to be an educational video. So today we're going to be talking about the LOC, the LOC method, which is an abbreviation for liquid/leave-in, oil and cream. It's the layering of products in a specific order to maximize water retention. I know you may be asking, what are you talking about, Tatenda? So pretty much, the LOC method is the recommended method with which you should apply your products for natural hair. So it's recommended that you apply your liquid/leave-in, your oil and your cream, your LOC. And this is to help lock in the moisture that you're applying into your hair so you can have healthy, moisturized and happy hair. So the LOC method aims to promote maximum water retention, prevent moisture evaporation and help your hair stay moisturized for a longer period of time. So let's jump straight into the abbreviations. So L is for your leave-in or your liquid. You can use a water-based leave-in. Emphasis on water-based. If you're looking for a leave-in for this part, you're looking for something that starts with ingredients of water. Alternatively, for the budget method, you can use water. That's what I use for my hair. I moisturize and hydrate my hair with water. As you guys can see, my water bottle here is filled with a cloudy white liquid. This is rice water. I'm currently in the process of filming and doing a rice water challenge sort of video. That should be coming out soon, so you guys stay tuned for that. And that's the L part. The O part is your oil. So this is for sealing in the moisture that you've just added by hydrating your hair with the liquid. It sort of acts as a sealant. As you guys know, water and oil do not mix. This is because of polar and non-polar molecules. We won't jump into that. But anyway, oil and water don't mix. So by adding the water, then adding the oil, you are sort of sealing your hair so that the water doesn't evaporate out. It acts as sort of a coating around your hair. So you can use different oils such as coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, jojoba oil. It just depends on the porosity of your hair. Obviously, higher porosities and lower porosities will need to use different oils and heavier oils so that they can get maximum moisture. You guys want me to do a video on hair porosity? If you're not sure what hair porosity is, let me know and I can hook you guys up with that video. And then we'll jump into our C for the LOC method. So this is your cream or your butter or your curling, your styling, your smoothies and stuff. This is for closing your hair cuticles after hydrating your hair, sealing your hair, and then now you're moisturizing it and just coating your cuticles with moisture. You can also use styling stuff, curling stuff, or a butter. The purpose of the cream component is to seal and lock in moisture introduced from the liquid and your oil. So these three things all together end up hydrating your hair, sealing your hair, and moisturizing your hair so that you have maximum moisturized hair and that your hair doesn't get dry and damaged and that your hair stays moisturized for a longer period of time. So some people, like myself, use the LCO method, which is the liquid, cream, and oil. As you guys have seen in my videos, I like to start off by spritzing my hair, then going in with my butter or my cream, my smoothie. Then I like to go in with coconut oil after. This is dependent on each person. At the end of the day, you need to know your hair, try it out. If it doesn't work, try something else. At the end of the day, each person's hair is different. LOC method doesn't work for you, try the LCO method instead. Now guys, be careful when doing this because you don't want to weigh down your hair. This is when it becomes really important to know your hair and to know what works well for your hair. If you're adding too much oil, if you're adding too much liquid, if you're adding too much cream, your hair may not look nice. It may look oily or greasy and just weighed down. So make sure that you're looking at your hair, you're understanding your hair, and you know what's going on with your hair so that you can have a beautiful flourishing puff or afro. Comment down below if you use the LOC method or the LCO method and what products you use in each step. So I'll see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching. I love you guys so much.